Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, stock reference number 5095. This shape runs from the 6-month 2011 through to the 6-month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, ARB bull bar with brush bars, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, a set of 17-inch black Sunraysia mags with average tyres. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch Sunraysia as a set with an average tyre. Factory hard lid. Tailgate has 5 small dents. Left tail light. Right tail light. Right rear, 17-inch Sunraysia sold as a set with average tyres. Right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, right guard and aftermarket snorkel, 2 small dents on the guard, comes with all fittings, does have some scuffs on the flare, and a right front 17-inch Sunraysia mag set as a set with average tyres. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. The driver's seat has a bit of wear on the outside edge and the plastic trim's fallen off. Black leather center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.